World, it's Royalty 9 and I'm here to teach you 5 ways to create content on your phone. So stay in touch with this goal. Stay here. Don't go nowhere. Don't click off the video. Stay right here. We're gonna get started. Number 1, record your daily routine, whether it's in the morning, night, afternoon, work, school, gym routine, all that, especially fitness videos. Fitness videos. I have a friend that does fitness videos. Shout out to him. I'll put his Instagram somewhere. Shout out to him. His gym videos. He's consistent with his videos. Keep going. You see the results. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Go on Instagram right there. Go check out his videos to get some inspiration, to get some content ideas. Go ahead. But definitely, fitness videos especially. Those are another bonus tip. If you go to the gym, even if you're doing light stuff, you could literally do home workouts. Literally. Make a workout routine for that. Home workouts, and show. Record a video of you doing some home workouts, and then put down some captions that you want to say and whatnot, and all that. That's it. Second one is a tutorial video. So record how you record your YouTube videos. For me, how I edit pictures on Lightroom. How you clean your room. Literally. How you clean your apartment. How you clean your car. Some people want to know that. Like sometimes I want to know what to use to clean on the floor, or what's something good to clean. So and so, like nobody knows everything. Is what I'm saying. There's many things you can teach somebody, especially in your skill set. So if you're the person sitting here right now behind the screen watching me, like, man, I don't got no skills. I don't know what to do. This, that, and third. Bad, no. You have skills, so use them. Use them and make your content. Anyways, third one is workflow videos. So for example, I would do a Final Cut Pro workflow video, a Logic workflow video, CapCut, Lightroom, Photoshop, so and so, and you can apply this to how you see fit. Fourth way is educational room. So teach about finance or teach about something that goes with your skills. For me, I would teach somebody how to fix their videos, their overblown videos on Final Cut Pro, which I've already done and posted, which is out on TikTok and Instagram. So fifth one is motivational reels. For me, I literally just started doing these, literally, because I'm like, these are so simple to do. Pretty much, I'm gonna do a little short overview of what you can do, but I'm gonna save that for my next video, which is gonna be my next video, how to do motivational reels or videos on your phone. No excuses. But anyways, for that, you find a trending sound on Instagram, screen record it, you bring it into CapCut, and then you pretty much bring in any footage you have. For me, sometimes I use my own footage, sometimes I use Pexels, which it's a free site for stock videos and pictures. But anyways, some content ideas I've done or going to do per se. I'm going to say some. Well, most of these are already done. I'm doing a list on Notion, which I'm also going to do a video on Notion workflow, definitely. So pretty much I have here, I did a Walmart run door edition. I did doing a photo shoot in my dorm, part 1, 2, and 3. Lock journey, which I pretty much did pictures and videos of my locks and put it to a sound. Boom, right there. I did a motivational reel. Yeah, I did motivational reels. I do some music reels too, since I'm, a music major. I'm a music industry major in school, so I want to stick to music, and then also want to do tech. But I'm still finding my way with I'm still finding my way with my content, because before I would try so hard to just niche down. No. Try different things. You never know what happened. Like literally for me, when I posted that motivational reel, let me check right now. I'm literally going to check this because I also have 2 that's blowing. I have one that's on my main page, and I have one that's on my photography page, Royal Visionary Production. So, yep, see, that one is still going, literally. And I posted that. I don't even remember when I posted that, but I love the trend. Like, you're showing off your work. It's cool. Mean this to brag about it. No, I'm showing that, you know, you can do it too. It's not just me and everybody else that's in the content creating community. You can do it too. Made this when I was going to bed and posted it the same night and woke up. I'm like, wait, why am I getting all these notifications? Then I looked at it. I'm like, oh shit, that's Instagram. I'm like, oh, wow. I was surprised because I really didn't expect it. Like, honestly. Love you guys. Stay safe. Keep journaling. Be consistent. And be on your game. Don't